Many people have been asking me how can they watch DStv on their mobile phone. Now ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. This can work on any phone, either it's iPhone or Android. Now just open the Play Store or App Store. So if you're on iPhone, just open the App Store. If you're on Android, open the Google Play Store. Now on the search bar, just search for DStv stream and then search it. Now you'll see here at the top, there are so many, my DStv stream. Just make sure to select the one which is DStv stream. So click download. If on Android, just select install. Now, once you've finished downloading DStv stream, just open the application. If it's first time, you'll need to log in. So you'll have to log in either using the email address or mobile number. Or if you're new to MultiChoice, then you'll have to create MultiChoice ID on DStv.com or supersport.com. So if you're new to MultiChoice, you don't have the MultiChoice account, then you'll have to go to DStv.com and then create an account. Or you can go to supersport.com. But I do have a MultiChoice account, that's why I can easily log in. So make sure you've entered correctly your email or phone number, then click sign in. Now, after selecting sign in, now they'll tell you help me link to my DStv package. So if you do have the DStv package, then you'll have to enter here your account holder's ID number, which is normally 13 digits, or can enter the smart card number, which is 10 digits, or can enter the customer number 12 digits. So if you do have the DStv decoder, then you can just check the card there and then enter your account holder's ID number or smart card number or the customer number 12 digits. So after entering here your number, or if you don't have it, you can just select here not now, but I highly recommend you to enter here your number, since after entering your number, you'll be able to use your DStv package right on your phone. So if you don't have, I'm just selecting here not now. Then you can just choose your profile. And then here you'll find all the channels. So you can see here all the channels that you can watch your videos and enjoy sports or any of the channels that are offered on the DStv. But to enjoy most of this, you'll have to link your smart card number or your DStv card number so that you can be able to use your package on the